Being present in the moment is very crucial. Be it talking to someone, preventing anxiety or fear, or maintaining a happy relation. I am not making this up. Matlab, I have faced multiple problems because of anxiety and intense critical thinking. It has hampered my life, it has hampered my relation. I can't fully focus on the work because I keep on thinking about the future. So, for this, I have prepared a morning ritual and I've been following since a year or two, which structures my mind so that it structures my day. What it goes like is I wake up, I freshen up, and then I meditate. The problem of scrolling the reel or YouTube short has been solved. If you are also facing the same problem, I recommend you to check out the recent video I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. So after meditating, what I do is gratitude journaling. I came across this word last year, and since then I've been maintaining a journal to write down the things I am grateful for. It basically conditions my brain to think in a way that don't be happy for what you don't have, and be happy for what you have. So it focuses less on negativity, and due to writing it, it goes into my subconscious brain, which in long term will help me to think in positive way. Here is an interesting fact. Writing down gratefulness is okay, but receiving gratefulness or gratitude is much more fulfilling. Like if you're writing down, you will get less dopamine, and if someone comes to you and say that they are grateful to have you in their life, will release much more dopamine in you. So why don't you be that guy who spreads happiness? You know what? Pause the video, go to your mom or someone who cooks food for you daily. Go to them and tell them that how delicious meal they have cooked for you today. Right now, go. After you tell them, you will see that how much happy they are. They will keep on cooking delicious meal for you. You will get what you have given. It doesn't work like that you will give what you get. I will be maintaining a journal till my life ends, and I recommend you to. It's okay if 1 or 2 days you have missed writing your gratefulness. It's worth giving a shot. I hope you have a brilliant mental health. I hope this video adds value to your life. Think long term, boys. Do the work and grow.